Wizard Workshops here. I'm busy making molds, silicone molds, two-part, using this pinky sill, which I find really good. This is my latest way of making the dam for the molds. So this here is fluted signboard, I think you'd call it. It's just plastic, quite lightweight, fluted, and you have to seal it quite well at the bottom, because the silicone is an escape artist, and it will really try very hard to escape out the bottom. So what I've been doing is putting some plaster of Paris, mixing up some quick set. It's already set. But yes, that basically seals the silicone in. And there's a ring pattern made out of carved wax, jeweler's wax. And here is a little boat, which I carved years ago for a little couple and the boat would rock. But this is a two sprue mold it's going to be. So I put a dam around that. The pewter or plaster will come through the gap left by these here, which are actually just the nozzles of the super glue, which is handy because they are just the right sort of tapered thing to let the plaster or pewter in. So silicone molds, very quick to make now. This one here will only use about 50 cc's of this two-pot silicone. This one here is a little wee silver tree of life, which I'll be making a mold for, and that will have multiple sprues just so that the pewter will go through evenly onto the tiny object, which is only about 3 grams. But this here is got more bulk to it, this ring, and that should cast with just 1 sprue. So that's got 1 sprue. This one here, for reasons of design, has got 2, and also for reasons of getting enough pewter into the object. So hope this helps. Do ask questions in the comments, and I will always answer them pretty quickly. So over, and oh yes, one more thing. Here's some letters that I'm going to be casting because I'm always running out of A's and E's and I's and sometimes T's and S's. So they seem to make those little laser cut letters lacking in A's and I's and E's. No doubt it helps sell more sets. But I use those for embossed lettering, putting it through a press, like an etching press, which is another video. So do sign up, do follow, subscribe, and we will share more tips and hints and hopefully inspirations. So, hope you like the boat. It'll be nice to see it made up in shining, gleaming pewter.